Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today's video is FlyLady Baby Step Day 16. So today, the FlyLady encourages us to go over to her website and look at some of the stories, and I think they're called morning musings, that people send in of how they're working to adapt the FlyLady system for them. I love this baby step, especially because I am a mom of two under three. And so a lot of things can kind of get lost in translation for me. Like if I'm trying to force myself to, even yesterday's example, make my bed first thing in the morning, it's just a little bit more of a challenge for me to do that. But if you go to the morning musings on FlyLady's website, there are people on there who have communicated the ways that they are making the system work for them. And it's really helpful to see because I happen to be somebody that can latch onto something and need to do it exactly the way it says to do it. I don't know if you can relate if you're a perfectionist, but it really can limit us. It really can stop us from doing things that we know are good for us to do because we can't do it perfectly, because we can't do it the exact way the person is saying to do it. And so I would encourage you to go there and see how people are kind of making it a little more free, making it work for them, and so that it can help you kind of become creative and brainstorm ways that you can make the system work for you that aren't so rigid, that aren't so exact. It doesn't have to look exactly the way the FlyLady does it. It's a great baseline for you to follow, and then you can make it work for your house, because that's the only way that it's going to work, is if you adapt it and do it a way that's going to work for you and your family. So please subscribe to this channel to follow along for the rest of the baby step. I have a link below for a calendar that you can print out that's totally free, so you can follow along with all the days of baby steps. And follow me over on Instagram if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.